Have you ever thought about how lightning is measured? Or how do scientists know how powerful and intense the lightning was when it struck somewhere? Or whether there is lightning in space or not? Can you see the Earth from space? If you are looking for the answers to any of these previously mentioned questions, then this video might be helpful for you in finding all the answers. Before knowing what a lightning detector is and how it detects lightning, let's find out what lightning is and what causes it. Lightning is known as the discharging of electrons onto the ground from an imbalanced storm cloud. When the negative charges from the storm cloud attract the positive charging of the land, the discharging occurs. The energy is present in the air. As soon as the charge from the bottom achieves its full force, the cloud begins to release energy. An energy release similar to a lightning strike results in a Lear stroke. The thing can move from the cloud to the ground with ease. A spark will occur, and that is how you know that lightning has struck near you. A lightning detector is also used to detect lightning. The electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, that a lightning strike emits is what lightning detectors use to detect lightning strikes. The equipment can determine how far away and intense the detected strike was by calculating the power of the detected EMP. The lightning monitoring networks pick up radio waves, which are generated by lightning channels and propagate by swift electric currents. It's possible to have both a channel bond, return stroke, and a cloud-based stroke available at once. A cross-loop magnetic direction finder is used to determine the direction of an RF lightning signal when detected at a signal point. Many lightning detectors have been made, and not all know which is the correct one, so the further information provided might be effective for you. Handheld detector is said to be a bit complex, with a 50 to 60% accuracy. On the other hand, the professional grade system is complex with an accuracy level of 90 to 95%. While the subscription level is easy to use with an accuracy level of 90 to 95%. A question which arises here is that can satellites detect lightning? Storms that lead to severe and destructive storms usually begin with high clouds and cloud-to-ground lightning. And yes, it can be easily detected by satellites of a vast area at any time of the day. Now, scientists can even easily detect where a storm can hit. Satellites, which are sent to space for lightning detection, also take pictures. From those pictures, scientists can see where the clouds are moving. The place where they are going to move has a high chance of a thunderstorm striking it. A large number of people are curious whether lightning can be seen from space or not. So, to answer your most favored question, yes, lightning can be seen from space as well. Not to forget that space is like a vacuum, so when lightning strikes the Earth and brightens the area, the flash can also be seen from space. If an astronaut is in space, he can see the lightning from space. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Hubble Space Telescope have captured the vibrant thing in a new image of the star that looks like a fiery volcanic cloud pierced by a giant purple lightning bolt. NASA describes the previous description of lightning in space. There is no lightning in space because, in this instance, lightning occurs when an electric field ionizes the air, which means the positive and negative charges attract each other, causing it to become plasma. It is impossible to avoid solar radiation in space because it is not possible to be avoided. Space is a vacuum. No electrical force exists in space, and no lightning activity occurs. The International Space Station, or ISS, is the largest modular space station in the Earth's low Earth orbit. It is a multinational project including 5 big space agencies and was made to conduct scientific research and experiments. Low Earth orbit is the region where all artificial objects sent into space from humans stay. The Earth can be seen easily in daylight from this station, but from space, the Earth can only be seen at night when it goes into orbit. The Earth looks as large as the Sun from the window in space. You will be surprised to know that there is a place where lightning never stops. Relámpago del Catatumbo, also known as Catatumbo lightning, occurs in Venezuela, which is the only place on Earth where lightning occurs 9 hours a day, which means 300 days in a single year. This phenomenon happens because warm air from the Caribbean coasts meets the cold air from the mountains, making it a perfect circumstance for lightning to occur. Did you know that you can make lightning too? But of course, you can make it on a small scale. Have you ever had an experience where you felt a weak spark when touching something in winter? You can easily make lightning in your own home by rubbing your feet on a wood floor in the winter season. Scientifically, lightning can be produced by electrostatic machines and impulse generators. When you're having a great time exploring with us, time flies by quickly again. If you enjoyed watching and want to explore more like this with me again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications for our channel before you go. Thank you so much for watching.